So in this question, like we are asked to find a product using suitable property. So the first part, like we have 26 multiplied with minus 48 plus of minus 48 multiplied with 30 minus 36, right? So 26 multiplied with minus 48 and plus of minus 48 multiplied with minus 36, right? So as we can see, like this is something like if this is A, right? So these numbers are same, minus 48 and 48, right? So what we'll have, this is a part of, like, this is example of distributive property multiplication. So we have minus 48 will come and 26, this sign plus of minus 36, right? So the answer will be minus 48. 26 plus or minus 36 will be minus 10. The answer will be minus 48 multiplied with minus 10 will be plus 480. So that will be the answer for the first part. So in the second part, like we have 8 multiplied with 53 multiplied with minus 125. So here, like we are going to use the property, like so where like we are basically changing the sign. So that is like associative property. So we are changing the position of the term, right? So 8 multiplied with minus 125 multiplied with 53, right? So instead of like multiplying 8 with 53 first, we are going to multiply 8 with minus 125 first, because 8 1 is when this number is multiplied with 125, that will give us 1000. The sign will be negative because it is minus 125, right? So the net answer will be minus 53,000. So this is how, like, in which, like, how you can resolve this terms. So the third part will be we have something like 15 multiplied with minus 25. Then we have minus 4 multiplied with minus 10. Here again, like we need to change the position, right? And so first, like we are going to multiply minus 25 with minus 4, right? So that will give us positive of 100, right? So then we only multiply 100 with 10, that will give us 1000. And in the end, like we're going to multiply 15 with 1000, that will give us 2000. So this is using the property, like where we are changing the order of multiplication, and we are like multiplying the terms, like which will give us easy answer, right? So the fourth part, like we have minus of 41 multiplied with 102, right? So here, like we are going to use the property of distributive property of multiplication, where like we are going to write it like 100 as 102 as 100 plus 2, and this will be like when this we open this up, so it will give us something like this answer, right? So minus 41 multiplied with 100, and then we have minus 41 multiplied with 2, right? So this will be minus 4100, and this will be like minus of 84, right? So answer will be 4184. In the E part, like we have 625 multiplied with minus 35, and then we have minus of 625 multiplied with 65, right? So here, as you can see, like 625 is same, but the sign different, right? So what we are going to do, like we are going to write it like this. Here, like we are going to 625 minus 65. So what we have done is like we have transformed the sign, like while these are multiplying, instead from 65 from 625 to 65, right? So 625 multiplied with minus 65, right? Because in the end, like when we multiply minus 625 with 65, or we multiply 625 with minus 65, the answer will remain same and the sign will also remain same, right? So here, like as you can see, like this number is same, and inside we have something like this. So this is 625, and this is minus 35 minus 65, right? And this is like something like minus 100. and answer will be minus of 625 100. So that is for the E part. For the F part, like what we have is 7 of multiplied with 50 minus 2, right? So we're just going to open up a bracket. So this will be 350 and this will be minus 14, and the answer will be 336 will be the answer for the F part, right? For the G part, like we have minus of 70 multiplied by minus of 29, correct? So first of all, these minus and minus, they will become plus. So that will be 70 multiplied by 29, right? Now like 29, we are going to write it like 30 minus 1. And we're going to open the bracket. 17 multiplied by 30 minus 17 multiplied by 1. That is like 510, and that is 70. The answer is 493 is the answer. The H part, like we have minus of 57 multiplied by minus of 19 plus of 57, right? So uh, these terms are multiplying, and this product will be as product is getting added to the 57, right? So if we have negative or negative, right? So that will become 457 multiplied by 19 plus 57, because like we just like multiplying the minus sign both sides, that will become positive, right? Because anyway, like minus and minus will become positive. So what we have is like 57 multiplied by 19 plus 57 multiplied. Okay, we can also write it like this: 57 multiplied with 1. So that is same as 57, right? So using the property of distribution, like we have, so that is 20, and the answer is 1140 will be the answer for the H part.